Hello everyone. What are CNC adamant parts and why are they so widely used in model manufacturing? To understand this, let's first take a look at real CNC machining.
CNC machining removes material precisely through pre-programmed tool paths. Common processes include milling, threading, tamping, and turning. CNC aluminum parts are components precisely machined from aluminum using CNC systems, just like the ones you see here. Aluminum parts are lightweight, corrosion resistant, and easy to machine. They also offer high strength-to-weight ratio, making them ideal for structure and function components. Compared to die casting or stamping, CNC aluminum parts offer better precision and flexibility. They are especially suitable for prototyping, small to medium batch production, and high-demand industry applications. To enhance appearance and durability, aluminum parts are often treated with anodizing, sandblasting, polish, or plating. This process improves corrosion resistance and gives products a premium finish.
At HLC, we don't just machine parts, we help customers achieve stable mass production. From prototyping to full-scale production, we have completely CNC aluminum part solutions. If you have a project in mind, feel free to contact us.